Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology behind the East Department Humanity and Science course Basic Mathematics course code 22103. Again myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Our chapter is Coordinate Geometry Unit 3 chapter number 6. Coordinate Geometry. Let us check what happened to next. Now today's lecture is very interesting. About which topic now? First revision we have to start slope form. The slope of line passing through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, the rise upon run, and y is equal to mx plus b, and x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the points are given. If parallel and perpendicular lines, what happen? Two lines are parallel lines if and only if they have the same slope, that is m1 is equal to m2. The two lines are perpendicular lines if and only if their slopes are negative reciprocals. That means m1 is equal to minus 1 upon m2, or m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Writing equation line given point and slope form, that is very important. Slope intercept form used to graph a line, used to find equation of line y is equal to mx plus b, and point slope form used to find equation of lines y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1, where m is slope and x1 y1 are the point given form, and we have to find the equation of the line in the given point and slope. That is very important. Revision we completed. Let's start. Find the equation of line of gradient. Here gradient means same as a slope, so we have to use the slope instead of gradient. Does not matter. The gradient 3 which passing through the point 1 comma 5. We have suppose y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. If I put a and b, does not matter, the format remains same. So y minus b is equal to m in bracket x minus a is obviously 1, b is 5. So we put y minus 5 is equal to 3 in bracket x minus 1. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, y minus 5 remain as the same. 3x, y remain as the same, 3x remain as the same, minus 5 goes this side, plus 5. Plus 5 minus 3 gives value y is equal to 3x plus 2. Or we can write 3x minus y equal to plus 2 is equal to 0 also. Does not matter. So in this example, gradient means slope, you have to must remind. Write the equation in a point slope form of the line that passing through 6 comma minus 4 and have the slope 2. Okay. So we have the x1 is 6, y1 is minus 4, slope m is equal to 2. Let us check. We know that y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. Why? Y1 value is what? Minus 4. Minus minus become plus 4. M is given part is 2. X remain as the same. X1 is 6. So y plus 4 equal bracket 2x minus 6. If we will multiply 2x minus 12, y plus 4. 4 this goes to this side. It is the minus 4. So minus 12 minus 4 is what? Oh, minus 16. So our equation is 2x minus y minus 16 equal to 0. If you write this way also, it is correct. Write the equation in the slope point form of the line passing through points. Okay, minus 1 comma minus 6 and 3 comma 10. Oh, what is the slope of the 2 points are given? Yes, we know that m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So here x1 is minus 1, y1 is minus 6, x2 is 3 and y2 is 10. So we have to put it is 10, y2 minus y1 minus of minus 6, x2 minus x1, x2 is 3 minus of minus 1, 10 plus 6, 16, 3 plus 1, 4, 4, 16 divisible by 4, it is 4. So our slope is m is equal to 4. We have the equation y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. We have to put now which point? If we put minus 1 comma 6, we derive y plus 6 equal to 4 in bracket x plus 4. If we put the 3 comma 10, we derive y minus 10 is equal to 4 in bracket x minus 10. If 2 points are given and one slope we have to find, we derive the two equation of line passing through the point minus 1 comma minus 6, 3 comma 10. Oh, again, write an equation in slope intercept form for the line that passing through 5 comma 7 and is parallel to the line described by y is equal to 4 upon 5 x minus 6. First step, find the slope of line. What is the slope of this given line? Yes, 4 upon 5 is the slope. So the parallel to slope 4 upon 5 is also in y is equal to mx plus c, that is the equation form. Yes, you have to write y is equal to mx plus c is the slope point form of the given equation. M is equal to 4 upon 5. That's why I write here 4 upon 5. The parallel lines is also slope have 4 upon 5. If the two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. That is m1 is equal to m2. So we write the equation in point form. Y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. So what is the value of y1? Yes, 7, x1 5. So y minus 7 is equal to 4 upon 5 is what? Slope x minus 5. Simplify, you derive the final answer. 5y minus 35 is equal to 4x minus 20. Simplify and we further get the answer. The equation of line in a standard form. Find the equation of line whose slope is 3 upon 2 and x-intercept is 4 units. Second, parallel to the line 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and x-intercept is minus 5 units. In both the two sub-questions are there, we have to use one by one. Given that x-intercept is 4, it passes through the points 4, 0. X-intercept is given, that means 4, 0, y coordinate is 0 on the x-axis. Its slope is m is equal to 3 upon 2 is given. So we have the equation y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. So we have to consider the x1 is 4, y1 is 0. So we have to put in this equation y minus 0 is equal to our slope 3 upon 2 x minus 4. So x1 and y1 we have to consider. So simplify 2y minus 0 and 3x minus 12. So 2y is equal to 3x minus 12. If you write 3x minus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, does not matter. So 3x minus 2y minus 12 equal to 0 is required equation of line. Now second question is given 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. If the straight line given ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, their slope is m is equal to minus a upon b. Yes, right. So our slope is minus remain as the same. 2 upon minus 3, minus get cancelled, 2 upon 3. X-intercept is minus 5. That means we have to put which? Yes, y is 0. So that's why y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. So y1 is 0. So 0. M is 2 upon 3. X1 is minus 5. Minus plus 5. 3 goes this side. 3y is equal to 2x plus 10. If you write 3y is this side. So 2x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0 is required equation of line. Equation of a straight line. Finding the equation of straight line when we have no gradient means slope and coordinates, that is x1 comma y1. Using y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. M is given, we can find c by substituting y, m and x1. Find the gradient equation of line with the gradient 2 means slope 2 passing through point minus 1 comma 3 means x1 y1 is given. Y1 is 3, m is 2, x1 is minus 1. So y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. Y minus 3, 2 in bracket x minus of minus 1. Yes, right. Y minus 3, 2x plus 2. So y is equal to 2x plus 5. It is the required equation of line if it is given. X-intercept is 4 is given. It passes through a 4 comma 0. So we have to establish this as a required equation of line. Obtaining the equation of line using 2 points form, we have the slope. In this today's lecture, what we discuss, the slope of the line represent m. The ratio of the change in y, change in x is defined by the equation m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And the linear equation in x and y can be written in the form y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 in bracket x minus x1. Be clear, y2 minus y1 x upon x2 minus x1 is exactly m. So we should write y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. We study about that parallel lines are given. Two lines are that never intersect and they have the same slope. M1 is equal to M2. They have different y-intercept. B1 not equal to B2. Y-intercept means x comma 0. No, 0 comma y. And x-intercept is what? X comma 0. Always remind that. Perpendicular lines, two lines are lines that intersect obviously, but they create four right angle triangle, first quadrant, second, third and fourth, and their slopes of m1 into m2 is equal to -1. They can have the same y-intercept. Y-intercept means 0 comma y, x-intercept means x comma 0. Okay, parallel lines we have to discuss. Two lines remain the same distance apart at all time, never intersect. Figure is given and symbol AB is parallel to CD. Perpendicular lines, two lines that intersect and form a right angle, that is obviously PQ is perpendicular to MN. Intersecting point are different. Intersecting lines meets or cross each other, that's why ST intersect UV. Two non-vertical lines MN slope M1 and M2 are parallel. M1 is equal to M2 means that lines are parallel, and perpendicular M2 is equal to -1 upon M1 or M1 into M2 is equal to -1. So find the line perpendicular to minus x plus 6y 8 passing through point -2 comma 3. Minus x plus 6y is equal to 8. 6y is equal to x plus 8. Y is equal to 1 upon 6 upon 4 upon 3 is happen. Use the negative reciprocal slope form means what? Y is equal to mx plus c. M is 1 upon 6. So we have to put the y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. So what is the given format is given? Y minus y1 is given. Yes, it is right. So y1 is what? 3 and x1 is -2. So we have to put y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. Substitute in point slope form. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 6x minus plus 2 into minus 6 minus 12. So minus 6x minus 12 plus 3 this side. So minus 6 minus 12 is obviously minus 12 plus 3 is -9. So y is equal to minus 6x minus 9. If you write 6x plus y is equal to -9. It is also the perpendicular lines example. In this example, first we convert minus x plus 6y equal to 8. So we convert shifting minus x this side, so plus x plus 8, and we shift the 6. 1 upon 6x is equal to 8 upon 4 is given by 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. And we know that y is equal to mx plus c. M is equal to 1 upon 6. We then take the slope point form equation. Y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. We put the value of x1 is -2, y1 is 3, and we derive and simplify the given equation. Find the equation that records of equal intercept on the coordinate axis passing through the point 2, 3. We know that the equation of line intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, where a is the x-intercept, b is equal to y-intercept. Given that x and y-intercept are equal, means a is equal to b. That's why we have the equation of line x upon a plus y upon a is equal to 1. Cross multiplication b is equal to a. X is same, though x plus y is equal to a goes this side, x plus y equal to a. That means x plus y minus a equal to 0. So now we have to take the which form? Obviously. So we have the expression in this format. So we have to passing through the points 2, 3, and we have to put the values of x1 and y1, and we have the slope in the form. Slope is 1. So final answer we have to derive. Write the equation of line slope intercept find line passing through 2, -1 perpendicular to line described by y is equal to 2x minus 5. Find the slope of line y is equal to 2x minus 5. We know that y is equal to mx plus c. So m is equal to 2. perpendicular line slope is m1 into m2 is equal to -1. That's why -1 upon 2 is m2. 2 into -1 upon 2 -1. That means it is perpendicular. Write the equation y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1, where x1 is 2, y1 is -1. We have to put m is equal to -1 upon 2. We derive the final answer in the form of equation.